Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create the ad for your Washington Irving newsletter. So you see that I'm in kind of my homepage area for Canva, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to type in ad, and I recommend you select a medium rectangle ad. So once you do that, it takes you over here and it takes you to a bunch of different templates, okay? The purpose of the ad is to make it look like a magazine ad, so you want to find one that you think looks like a magazine. I'm going to choose this one here, the canoes and paddles, and you just click and drag it over. Easy enough. So let's go to the directions and see what specifically the advertisement is asking me to include. So I need to include who the product's for, what it is, where can I get it, why do I need it, and how does it work. So we are going to come back over to it, and I'm going to say I'm advertising canoes and paddles. You guys, of course, are choosing products or locations that are from your specific short story. I don't want to give any suggestions because then you won't be able to use them. So we're going to go with canoes and paddles. So here it has a picture that's taken over. You guys know how to replace pictures now. It has some white space, but you see you can move the picture. You can, just use the mountains if you want to. You can use whatever portion you want of it. You can take this blue background and you can change it to be different colors. You can add more text if we wanted to go through and add, where is the where can they find it? Can they get it at Sports Authority? Can they get it at Dick's? I realize that this story took place in the 1800s and Sports Authority wasn't even invented then. That's fine. It's still a modern day newsletter, so you can take it and adjust it if you want to add the logo of some of the sports stores that they can go through. You can change the wording to be whatever you want it to be. You can take out the part just like you do for everything else. So when I think that I am done with everything, and this is what I want my final ad to look like, I am going to download it. When you go to the download button that's up here, it's automatically a PNG file, but you want to redo it as a JPEG file because this will allow it to go back into the newsletter and manipulate a little bit easier. So you'll click on JPEG and you'll download it. And when you go through and you design it, yay, you'll get that box, you can X out of it. I'm on a Mac, so again, mine appears right here. Your guys will appear probably in your downloads folder. Let's go back and find it and put it in. So you go back to the home button, you'll come down here that you have for your designs, and I'm going to go to the template, the newsletter template that I had suggested put in for you guys earlier. And say I want I kind of put it here already, but we're going to put it here. So I am going to come down over here to uploads, and I'm going to upload an image. And so you will have to go through your downloads and find it because you just, you went through and just downloaded it, but we don't really necessarily know what it was called. So you will see that I can't find it, but I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to come over here, and I know that it's right here, and I'm just going to upload it. Okay, so there it is. I've uploaded it, and now I'm going to click and drag it and put it right here. When I zoom in to really study it and you click on it, you'll see that it's a little bit bigger, like it doesn't really necessarily fit. So you might find, that's one of the reasons why I put it over here, you might find that it fits better in a different size. If it's in your newsletter, don't forget you can manipulate it. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make it wide, you can arrange it however you want to. It's so easy once you've created one to click and drag and drop them in. So happy making your ads. I hope you have a great day.